absolutely ridiculous. It didn't take long to put together, but I noticed, first of all, I was missing pieces, the top shelf. Okay, now the top shelf is right here. Okay, and that's where the light bar goes for the LED, which I'm also missing. Now, everything else was there, so I started to put it together because the seller originally wrote to me saying that they sent me the pieces. So as I'm putting it together, I realized there's another chip. And that is the front, because there's the outlet in the front. Okay? Is this acceptable? No. Then they write me and tell me that they can give me $10 because they don't longer have number 2 shelf. But number 2 shelf is where you put your LED lights. That's where you would connect the LED lights that are supposedly on this shelf, Bestier. I would not recommend this seller to anybody. They're horrible customer service. And I already put it together and threw away the box based on them saying that they were going to send me a number 2 shelf piece. Now they owe me a number, whatever number that is, the bottom shelf, because that's also chipped. Or else I'm just going to return the whole thing. They can come pick it up like this and get my money back from Amazon.